wanted to start a small business in plumbing that would be professional, uh, personable, uh, local, involved with the community, not just like a national franchise. I thought about buying a franchise, but I just wanted to start something uh, for myself that would be professional and prompt, all the things that you would expect, out of a franchise, you know, with also a personal touch, being local in the community, like I said, and also less expensive, providing the same professional prompt service and less expensive than a big franchise. I got into plumbing, as initially when I was a teenager, just as I was a shoe-in to a little plumbing company in Simpsonville, and I worked over there maybe 6 months and in residential new construction. Um, so then I went to Greenville Tech for construction engineering, and I knew another friend of mine, Donnie, that got me in as a assistant project manager that was a plumbing company. So then I just I saw it was something I was good at, just the project management work of it also. And so I worked for two companies doing basically in the field and also assistant project manager work. And then I was going through a layoff in 2014. I had a feeling we're about to be laid off. I'd worked on Fisher Middle School off Woodruff Road for about 18 months, and that job was coming to a close. So I saw a sign for a service plumbing position, which it was not going to be any project management. I knew that. It was going to be just solely service plumbing, repairs, and so forth. So I went there, and I loved that work. As soon as I got in there, I knew I loved that work. I'd found, what I really wanted to do. Just, day in and day out, this kind of work is very unique. I mean, there's a lot of repetitive stuff, but every day is different. I get to talk to all different kinds of people, see all different kinds of issues. So each issue is kind of the same and kind of different also. And I get to see, all different areas in the upstate, and really the variety of work.